Good morning student, this is Shailesh Kumar and now we are on channel Think Math with Shailesh. As you know, in this channel what we learn, we come to know with the various techniques of the mathematics problems on this topic. These technique also may be detailed method and we can choose the shortcut method. So in this sequence today the topic of our video is Square Shortcut Part 2. As you know, in the Part 1, what we have done that to find the square of the two-digit number where 5 are involved. But here the case is different. You will see here the numbers, those may be less than 100, 91, 92, 94, 93, 94, 96 and so on. After that, the second type will be more than 100, where you will see 101, 104, 108 like and similar type of numbers in the sequence. So, firstly, we will go on the first part, that is less than 100. Now, here you have to see the number that is given for the squaring, just like 91. You see 91 is how much less than 100? It is 9 less than 100. Okay. Now this 9 is your key factor. You will have to do 9 multiply with 9 and also you have to subtract this 9 from the given number. Now this was a particular case. To explain the method, I will apply this rule to the all numbers that I have explained to you for 91. Now, I consider the first number be 94. Now, in this case, you will see that 94 is how much less than 100. You can see that it is 6 less than 100. How much? 6. Okay. Now, you will multiply this 6 with 6. Firstly you will write square. So 6 multiply 6, that is 36. And now you will subtract 6 from the given number 94. Now you will get 88. You will write 88. It completes the square of 94. So now we will apply this same rule for 98. 98 is 2 less than 100. So I will have to multiply 2 with 2, that is 04. And I will subtract 2 from 98. So after subtraction what I got? 96. So the answer is 9604. Now this is the square of 98. It means if you multiply 98 with 98, then you get the answer 9604 or 9604. So student, we can apply this rule for the other all parts starting from the 91. So let me erase what we have explained to you to proceed as the sequence wise starting from 91. Okay, let me erase this so that we can start from 91. Now you can see that 91 square 91 is how much less than 100? 9. So if we have to find the square of 91, then what will I do? I will square the 9, that is 81. Now I will subtract the 9 from the given number 91, that is 82. Now in this way we got the answer. Here the second number is 92. 92 is 8 less than 100. Okay, so I will multiply 8 with 8, that is 64. And now I will subtract 8 from 92. Now that is 84. I will show you that 92 minus 8, that is 84. So you will write this 84 here and it completes your squaring. That is, if you multiply 92 by 92, then you will get the same answer, 8464. Now we come on the next part, that is 93, which is 7 less than 100. So square of 7 is 49. Now I will subtract 7 from 93, that is 86. So this is the square of 93. Now in case of 94, which we have explained earlier, we can say that this is 6 less than 100. So the square of 6, that is 36. And I will subtract 6 from 94, that is 88. I have explained this again. Now 96 square. 96 is 4 less than 100. So I will square 4. So the 4 multiply 4, that is, you can say 16, and 96 minus 4, that is 92. Now 97 cube. Now 97 is how much less? 3 less. So 3 square, that is 09, and I will subtract 3 from 97, that is 94. Now 98 square. 98 is 2 less than 100. So the square of 2 is 4. 04. Now 98 minus 2, that is 96. Now the last one is 99. 99 is 1 less than 100. Okay, so you multiply 1 with 1, the answer is 01. And you will subtract this one from 99. The answer is 98. So 99 square is 9801. Now the 96. 96 square. 96 is how much less than 100? 4. Okay. Then 4 square is 16. And I will subtract 4 from 96. That is 92. So in this way, I have explained the method for all the terms which were less than 100 or in the starting digit at the tens, from the tens place involving 9. Now in the second case, the more than 100, here you will have to see the number is how much more than 100. Okay, so that number will be your key factor. Here you will have to apply the same rule for just like subtraction part. Here you will see that 109 is 9 more than 100. So you will multiply 9 with 9. So the answer is 81. And now because this is more than 100, so you will add 9 to 109. So this is 118. So the answer is 118. So student, in this more than 100 case, you will have to add the number, and in the earlier cases, we were subtracting the number from the given number. Okay, now let us see 101. 101 is 1 more than 100. So write square. 101 is 1 more than, so 1 multiply 1, that is 01, and I will add this 1 to the 101, that is the actual number. 101 plus 1, that is 102. Now 10201 is the required answer as a square of 101. So student, come on, next one, 102. 102 is 2 more than 100 and the square of 2 is 4, and I will add 2 to the given number, that is 104. 104 square, it is 4 more than 100. So what is the square of 4? That will be 16, and you will have to add 4 with 104, that is 108. Now 105. 105 is 5 more than 100. Now 105 square, it means you multiply 5 with 5, that is 25, and you will add this 5 to the 105. So 110 is the required answer for the 105 square. So you can see 103. 103 is 3 more than the 100. So square of 3 is 09, and you will add 3 to 103. So 103 plus 3, that is 106. Now this completes your answer for the square of 103. Now come on, 107 square. Now 7 is how much more than 100? 7. Therefore 7 multiply 7, that is 49. Now I will add 7 to 107. So the answer is 11449. So now the question is for 108. 108 square. Now what is the square of 8? 64, because it is more than 100 by 8, and I will add 8 to the given number, that is 116. So this is the answer for the 108 square. So student, here you learn that how we can do this square or the multiplication of a number to itself very quickly without using the traditional method. Now the turn is of 110. I will write 110 square. So we will solve this 110 square in the application part. Now students, you will see that I have written all the numbers. Those are less than 100 and more than 100. Now I will apply what I have learned in the video, that to calculate the square of all these numbers. So you must notice that how fast I can solve these all number without using the detailed method or any calculating device. So you have to see the video till end, and don't forget to subscribe the channel Think Math with Salish. So we start from the first one, that is 91 square. You see 91 is 9 less than square, 9 less than 100. So we can write 9 square, that is 81, and 91 minus 9, that is 82. Now 92 is 8 less than, therefore square of 8 is 64, and 92 minus 8, that is 84. 93 is 7 less than, so 7 square is 49, and 93 minus 7, that is 86. 94, 6 less than 100, so square of 6 is 36, and 94 minus 6 is 88. Now 95 is 5 less than 100, so we will take the square of 5, that is 25, and 95 minus 5, that is 90. Now on the 96, 96 is how much less than 100? That is 4. So square of 4 is 16 and 96 minus 4 92. Now 97 is 3 less than, therefore square of 3 is 9 and 97 minus 3 94. Similarly 2 square, and in the case of 91 we can say 9801. Now we will find the square of 105. 105 is 5 more than 100, so square of 5 is 25 and I will add 5 to 105, that is 110. So 4, square of 4 is 16 and 104 plus 4, that is 108. 3 more than 100, so square of 3 is 09 and 103 plus 3, that is 106. Now 102 is 2 more than, so square of 2 is 04 and 102 plus 2, that is 104. 101 is 1 more than, therefore square is 101 and 101 plus 1, that is 102. Now 106, that is 6 square 36 and 106 plus 6, that is 112. Now 107, you can see 110 for 64 and 110 plus 8, that is 116. Now it is 9 more than, so 9 square 81 and 109 plus 9, that is 118. 110, that is 100 carry 1 and 110 plus 10, that is 120, and this carry will be added to 120, that will give our answer 121 00. Okay, so 12,100 is the answer for 110 square. So you can see how fast we can calculate using the shortcut for the square in this video. So students, don't forget to subscribe the channel Think Math with Salesh to get the knowledge for these type of shortcuts in mathematics. Now let us see that in our next video which type of shortcut we are going to provide to you students. Here I am writing a question of square. You can see that I have to find the square of this kind of number without using any calculating device or the detailed method. So can you find what will be its answer very quickly? No, it is not easy, but we will make it easy for you just in next video, which we are going to upload after this. And after seeing this video, you will able to calculate in just a very less time, that is 3 seconds. So students, get ready to learn this type of shortcut on the Think Math with Salesh. Thank you.